Hello everyone, my name is Mandi Lynn. I'm an author, book cover designer, and the creator of the Book Launch Planner. And today we're doing a cover reveal for my first ever children's book as well as a title reveal. So right now you're watching the speed drawing of me creating the illustration for the cover. And if you stay tuned, you'll see the final cover as well as, of course, the title. Now, I will let you know that before I started filming myself, I had already created an initial illustration. So what you're seeing me do right now is I'm actually editing the old illustration, which meant that I almost redid the entire head excluding the eyes, just because I felt like the eyes were the only thing that actually came out good. So enjoy watching the speed drawing. You'll see me first drawing the illustration, which would be Moon, and then later you'll see me create the entire cover, which included a few other elements. So please enjoy, and if you love the cover, I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd go ahead and share it online. In the description of this video, you'll see a link to Google Drive, which is a folder full of mock-ups of the cover. So if you want to, feel free to share it online. I'd greatly appreciate it if you did so and tagged me as well. Otherwise, you can sit back and enjoy watching the speed drawing and let me know what you think of the cover down below in the comments. I will also let you know that this book is up for pre-order now and it's releasing in July, so I can't wait to have everyone have access to this adorable little book. I promise it will be full of cute illustrations. once again, this is just a reminder that you can go ahead and pre-order Mr. Moon's Big Move. The link to pre-order will be down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.